Diksha.
And there you can see the first formation flying in Apache attack helicopters, today led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. Flying the other two aircraft are Wing Commander Munit Dogra and Wing Commander Gaurav Patania. The Apaches, with its advanced fire control radar, night vision system, and arsenal of Hellfire missiles and Hydra rockets, is a formidable force in the battlefield. These fierce attack helicopters are the face of the modern machines in India's leap into the manufacturing advanced of the rotary wing platform. And there you can see Formation Airborne from Air Force Station Hindon, led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. The Apache attack helicopters flying in victory formation.
संतुलन, साहस और शौर्य का परिचय 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर पहुंचते हुए 137 हेली स्क्वाड्रन से नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन प्रवीण सारथी कर रहे हैं। अन्य सदस्य हैं विंग कमांडर मुनीत डोगरा और विंग कमांडर गौरव पठानिया।
The aircraft equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and sensors, allowing them to operate in a variety of environment and weather conditions.
इंडिया गेट के ठीक पास पहुंचते हुए अजय फॉर्मेशन में 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में तेज खिली हुई धूप और साफ आसमान, वायु गर्जन, वायु विचरण, शौर्य साहस का परिचय। और अब बारी सतलुज फॉर्मेशन की। 2 डॉर्नियर और एक AN-32 ट्रांसपोर्ट हेलीकॉप्टर, ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे।
The formation led by Wing Commander Pinak Ashok Kodgute, along with Flight Lieutenant Anurag Mishra, Wing Commander Amol, along with Flight Lieutenant Sahaj Preet, and Squadron Leader Rahul Kishore, along with Squadron Leader Rohit Anand. The formation comprising 1 AN-32, which is airborne from Air Force Station Chandigarh, while the Dorniers taken off today from Palam Air Base. AN-32, a strong, rugged aeroplane with a mighty roar, is the workhorse of the Indian Air Force transport fleet.
दो डॉर्नियर इस फॉर्मेशन में 41 स्क्वाड्रन से आदर्श वाक के समय पर सहायता।
The Satluj formation. The Dorniers belonging to 41 Squadron, also known as the Otters, with the motto Samay Par Sahayata. They have the unique distinction of being the only aircraft in the IAF with the role of air calibration of the IAF airfields. And now the Rakshak formation, debuting on the Kartavya Path today for the maiden formation flypast, Rakshak, the Dornier formation of the Indian Coast Guard. True to their motto, Vayam Rakshamaha, the Indian Coast Guard have rescued over 12,000 lives from the unforgiving ocean. The formation led by DIG Kamal Bharadwaj and other aircraft flown by DIG Siddharth Bhandari and Commandant Jayant Thorat.
रक्षक फॉर्मेशन राष्ट्रीय समर स्मारक के ऊपर से गुजरता हुआ।
The Indian Coast Guard Dorniers, capable of carrying out maritime reconnaissance, search and rescue, pollution response, maritime security, anti-piracy and assistance to fishermen at sea. And now the next formation, Arjun formation. Formation comprising 1 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft and 2 C-295 aircraft, the latest tactical transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
2 C-295 विमान एशॉन में C-130J एयरक्राफ्ट के साथ, और इस फॉर्मेशन का नाम अर्जुन फॉर्मेशन मार्शल ऑफ द एयर फोर्स अर्जुन सिंह के नाम पर रखा गया है। नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन अंकित राज सिंह कर रहे हैं। C-295 में विंग कमांडर सौरभ सिंह और विंग कमांडर CP रेड्डी।
And now the Varuna formation, comprising 1 PHI aircraft of the Indian Navy and 2 Sukhoi 30 MKI of the Indian Air Force. The Sukhoi 30 air dominance fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The PHI is a long-range maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine warfare aircraft equipped with the state-of-the-art sensors and weaponry, including indigenous equipment, making it the most potent maritime platform. The aircraft undertakes wide range of missions. The formation today led by Commander Ruchit Kaur, flying the PHI, and the Sukhoi 30 flown by Group Captain Manoj Yadav and Wing Commander Parvinder Singh Chahal. PHI airborne today from Air Force Station Jaisalmer, while the Sukhoi is airborne from Air Force Station Jodhpur. This formation is flying at a speed of 555 kilometers per hour. Formation led by Commander Ruchit Kaur.
एक के बाद एक विमान हवा में उड़ान भरते हुए, आसमान को चीरते हुए भारतीय वायुसेना के शौर्य और साहस का परिचय। अब बारी है
Bheem formation. Now gracing the skies is the awe-inspiring Bheem formation. Leading this majestic display is the C-17 Globemaster, a true embodiment of power, endurance and reliability in the air.
भीम फॉर्मेशन में एक C-17 और 2 Su-30 विमान एशॉन स्टीमिंग फ्यूल में विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए दिख रहे हैं। ग्रुप कैप्टन समीप तेजावन के नेतृत्व में, साथ में है ग्रुप कैप्टन ध्रुव कुमार और विंग कमांडर सुदीप पी।
Heavy lift transport aircraft C-17 taken off today from Air Force Station Hindon, while the Sukhois got airborne from Jodhpur. Formation flying at a speed of 555 kilometers. Led by Group Captain Sameep Nijhawan, mentioned in dispatches. Sukhoi is flown by Group Captain Dhruv Kumar, Vayusena Medal, and Wing Commander Sudeep P.
निगाहें आसमान में इन वायु गर्जन करने वाले विमानों को ढूंढ रही हैं और एक के बाद एक हैरत अंगेज कारनामे करते हुए फॉर्मेशन आगे बढ़ते हुए।
And now time for faster moves with pure fighter formations. In the lead, Jaguars. Jaguar, a versatile twin-engine strike aircraft known for its robust design and adaptability, capable of performing in challenging environment and thus a valuable asset for close air support, precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. And there you can see 5 Jaguars in arrow formation, formation led by Group Captain Akash Chechi. The other members of the formation, Wing Commander Ujjwal K. Mishra, Wing Commander Bharat Singh, Squadron Leader A.K. Jha and Squadron Leader Aditya Jamdagni.
अमृत फॉर्मेशन 5 जैगुआर विमान, भारत की सुदृढ़ वायु शक्ति का प्रदर्शन। स्क्वाड्रन का मोटो शक्ति विजयते, आदर्श वाक्य। फॉर्मेशन का नाम अमृत काल, भारत का विजन 2047 से
and flying at a speed of 750 kilometers per hour. Today led by Group Captain Akash Chechi. Marvel the choreography of power and precision, each jet being a symbol of the guardianship that keeps our skies sovereign and safeguard.
उपस्थित जनसमूह विस्मित है, आह्लादित है, रोमांचित है, प्रसन्न है भारत की इस वायु शक्ति का अवलोकन करके। अमृत फॉर्मेशन के बाद अब बारी होगी वज्रांग फॉर्मेशन की।
6 Rafale, omnipotent fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one could say that even the winds along the Kartavya path have stopped to stare at these Rafales. 6 Rafale fighter aircraft flying majestically up in the air. Formation led by Squadron Leader Amol Garg, Squadron Leader Mihir Vivek Chaudhary, Squadron Leader Sarthak Kumar, Squadron Leader Mohit Tyagi, Squadron Leader Arun Athare, and Squadron Leader Shivangi Singh, all from 17 Squadron.
17 स्क्वाड्रन, जिसका आदर्श वाक्य उदयम अस्त्रम, 6 राफेल विमान हवा में विलीन होते हुए।
And now the audience thrilled to welcome the last but second in the series. We have the Trishul formation.
त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन में 3 Su-30 विमान विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे। 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से त्रिशूल भगवान शिव का अस्त्र है और बुराई के अंत का, दुश्मन के संहार का परिचायक।
Formation led today by Group Captain Manish Arora, Shaurya Chakra. Other members in the formation are Wing Commander Kunal Kalra and Wing Commander Abhimanyu Singh, all from 15 Squadron, all from Flying Lancers. And there you can see the Trishul formation comprising 3 Sukhoi 30 MKI air dominance fighter aircraft flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour.
3 Su-30 विमान जिनका विजय नाद सुनकर रोमांच महसूस किया जा सकता है, हवा में विलीन होते हुए त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए।
Having pulled up, watch the leader going further up and the wingmen splitting to cast a Trishul or a trident up in the air. Formation led by Group Captain Manish Arora.
और अब रोमांच की पराकाष्ठा, विजय फॉर्मेशन एक रफेल 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से उड़ान भरते हुए 300 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर कर्तव्य पथ के वाटर चैनल पर नजर आएगा। सांसें थाम कर रखिए अपनी।
And in command of Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi along with Flight Lieutenant Sona, here comes the single Rafale flying at 900 kilometers per hour. All set to touch the sky with glory as he will execute the victory roll over Kartavya Path today. Known as the Falcons of Champ and Aknoor, flying with their motto, Anbhishya Bhedi or Seek to Destroy. That's Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi.